Be ready for dictation. Five seconds. Start. Sir, it is really doubtful, and we have in the House honorable friends who said that you can impose ceilings on land holdings provided you impose ceilings on factories and incomes and wages and everything. Stop. Ceiling on land holdings is a different proposition. Stop. Concentration of land in the hands of a few individuals is a relic of feudalism that has to go lock, stock, and barrel. Stop. Everything can come later on. Stop. But this is the first priority, and it is essential because unless we distribute the land, unless we bring about a radical change in the ownership of land, the agricultural crisis cannot be resolved and the country cannot march forward. Stop. Through we may have a good crop this time, we may be faced with a serious crisis a year later or 2 years later, and one does not know. Stop. Sir, now a new proposition has come. Stop. The government seems to be considering legalizing all the Benami transfers. Stop. It is rather surprising that in the midst of the implementation of the 20-point program, the government should come forward with a proposal to legalize all the Benami transfers. Stop. So far, the accepted policy has been the policy as laid down in the national guidelines. The policy as laid down by the National Commission on Agriculture. The accepted policy has been that all the Benami transfers must be cancelled and the land must be distributed among the landless laborers and poor peasants. Stop. Now the government comes forward with a proposal that the Benami transfers may be legalized. Stop. What is the meaning of the legalization of these transfers? I have some personal knowledge of a landlord in Bihar. Stop. He has made Benami transfers to persons who do not exist in this world. Stop. It means that the land will remains with the original landlord and the purpose of cancellation of Benami transactions will be defeated. Stop. So, sir, I wish to request the government to withdraw the thing. Stop. The bill has not yet come. Only a proposal has been mooted in the press, and it is time. This house made a vigorous protest against it and compelled the government to withdraw the proposal and implement its solemn pledge given to the country and to the people that all the Benami transfers will be cancelled and the land will be distributed among landless laborers and poor peasants. Stop. Sir, I will here refer to certain experiences about the implementation of the 20-point program that we had during the last few days. Stop. Our party, the Communist Party of India, organized the countrywide program of Padyatra in various rural areas of the country to find out how the 20-point program is being implemented. Stop. And what is the experience? I have to mention two aspects of the situation in the rural areas. Stop. First aspect is that this government, although it is not very serious about implementing the 20-point program, it has succeeded one target of taxing the common people of the country. Stop.